Hi guys, Assalamu alaikum. This is Hafso here back with another video. So the winter season is here and with the winter season, dull and dry lips are also here. Therefore I'm here with a cutesy little video for your lip care. So starting with this Lush Organics cotton candy scrub, which is basically a sugar-based lip scrub. The best part about this is that it's organic, which means it's safe for all kind of lips. First of all, we are going to exfoliate our lips with this lip scrub or any scrub of your choice. अच्छी तरह we are going to scrub it off all the dry skin और जो भी हमारे lips पे आ जाता है dry skin cells. It's not necessary कि आप यही scrub use करें. You can even make your lip scrub at home. And it's advised to scrub your lips at least twice a week. उसके बाद to soothe and heal the dry lips, we're gonna use this Vaseline Rosy Lips. The best part about it is that it nourishes and hydrates your lips and इसके अंदर एक tinted सा look होता है, which is why I really like using it. So these are the two products I use for my lip care and it does wonders. You all also let me know how do you take care of your lips. Until next time, bye bye.